Welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a 7-layered Mediterranean dip. I hope you enjoy what I have for you today. In my bowl at the bottom, I'm going to put some tzatziki, the recipe for which you can find on our channel. On top of my tzatziki, I'm going to put some hummus. Hummus recipe is available on our channel. To top this, I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes which I've halved. Next goes in some cucumber which has been peeled and diced. On top of that, I've got some spring onion whites which we're going to use. To top it, some parsley, and some feta cheese. I'm going to cover this and put this in my fridge to chill. My 7-layer dip is chilled and ready to serve. I'm going to serve this with some pita chips on the side. Our 7-layered Mediterranean dip is ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching.